I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
It's not about personality matrixels and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
Alright, so I washed the mask off, and so I'm gonna go in with this essence by Amore Pacific. It's like a liquid that I guess is made out of fermented tea. I really like this stuff. Hopefully that makes me look a little bit more alive today because my skin has really been taking a beating. So I have the next couple days off and thought that I would vlog a little bit because it's been a couple weeks since my last one. I am feeling much better. I don't know if you guys saw my last vlog, but I got COVID back in July, and so I took some time off to recover, and I'm feeling much better, and I'm no longer contagious. I'm completely done with my quarantine. Yeah, and for those of you who didn't see that vlog, I am completely vaccinated but still caught COVID. But fortunately, I was vaccinated, so I didn't get incredibly sick. I did not feel good, but definitely was protected with the vaccine in order to not get so sick I had to go to the hospital or anything like that. Anyway, moving on. I don't really know what I have planned for today. I think it's just going to be mostly a day of decompression and kind of getting stuff together. Oh, it's really bright. Just getting some stuff around the house done. I am expecting a couple of packages, including a delivery for my new coffee table from World Market that I'm very excited about, so I have to kind of stay home for that. I am redecorating my living room, so that's a really big piece I'm really excited about. But other than that, I think I'm just gonna kind of chill out, hang out. But I am excited about tomorrow because I have the next couple days off. A few of our friends are renting a hotel room over at the Phoenix Hotel in San Francisco because they have a daytime poolside party there, and so we decided to have like a little hotel pool party. It should be fun. Hopefully the weather perks up because it's cold and gloomy out here, and if any of you guys are familiar with San Francisco summers, they are almost always really cold. So hopefully the sun comes out and we can, you know, enjoy that little poolside party.
Jake, you're back! Shut your face! I came back for the music.
My Gymshark package arrived today, which is exciting. This looks like I got this sports bra in. This is really cute, and I've also got the matching pants that go with it. So let's see if they're in here. Yep, here they are. This one. Hopefully they fit. Oh, these are such good quality too. I've never ordered anything from Gymshark, so I'm very excited. Ooh, these are small and they look quite small. Wait, are these small? Yeah, I think I got these in small. I might have to take them back and get a medium because these are like meant for children. These are so small. Got another green sports bra. Looks like it might fit, hopefully. It's supposed to be really good support, which is great because I'm pretty busty. Another pair of leggings. Again, they're small, so they might not fit. Oh my gosh, their smalls are like itty bitty. Usually I'm a small, but this looks entirely too small. And last but not least, I got this zip jacket. Also small. This actually looks like it'll fit me just fine, but it's so cute. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Here's the back. Yeah, I think that this will work. Ta-da! She's beautiful. What do you think, Dinah? Good morning. So I just got done with drinking some coffee outside, and now I'm about to get ready for this pool party I'm going to with some friends over at the Phoenix Hotel. And I'm thinking, I have this really cute one-piece swimsuit that I got at Target. I might wear that as like my top and then throw some high-waisted flare jeans on top of that, and that could be like my outfit with maybe, I don't know, some jewelry and a headscarf. It might fit the theme of the party, I think. But anyway, I have my swimsuit over here. I got this, like I said, at Target. It's like more like an orangey red color, and it cinches on the side, and it's backless. It is so cute, and it fits me really well. So then change into that with some jeans on top, and I think I will have my outfit for this party.
Hey, bartender.
exactly why I have to actually dress up when I go out with Megan. Show your top. So cute.
Like I turn around and I'm just like walking towards the hot dog lady, and then I just ran into
I had to get
wall.
this.
So like the wall just came out of nowhere. So like it wasn't a flat wall. There was like a column, I guess. And I just ran into the fucking wall. And I have a very prominent brow bone structure. Like you can see it. Like I have a big brow bone. And so, and your brow bone's really sharp. I mean, mine are because they're very pointed. And I just right into the wall. And then I felt the blood start gushing down. And I looked down and started dripping on my dress.
And you're like, I gotta return this back to the runway.
And then I like continue. I'm like hot dogs. I like go and I'm like, hey, she got a hot dog. I had my eyebrows bleeding. I'm like, can I have a hot dog, please? Everything on it.
Everybody was laughing at us
because she thought it was ketchup.
Yeah.
So I'm eating a hot dog.
You have ketchup down your dress. Ketchup. Get it together. And then she's like, I'm bleeding. And I was like, what? And she was like, I'm bleeding. And then she like pulls her hair, and I put her face close to mine. And I was like looking at it, and I was like, oh my god. And then you just hear me go like, oh my god. I was like, my friend is dying.
My dress. It was a rental too.
Of course it was.
I'm gonna have to get that blood out before I send it back.